Hi kids, how are you all? Let's start our today's drawing. Today I will draw a beautiful gift box. Our gift box ready. Let's color together. This is black color. By black color I have outlined the gift box. Now I will color it. Orange color. Wow, it's looking so nice. I use orange color both side also. It's looking gorgeous, isn't it guys? Now I will draw purple. I will color the both side box with this beautiful gorgeous purple color. It's looking so nice and attractive. Please follow me step by step for the outcome of this attractive color. Now I will color this both side flower with what? Pink color. Wow, it looks so gorgeous, so amazing, soothing color. Star with blue color. Here is one star and here is the second star. Nice. This is our beautiful gift box ready. Thank you guys.